Worried that recurring payments might fail and upset your clients? One missed subscription can hurt both revenue and trust. Here's a quick way to understand the problem. Manually tracking subscription payments in a spreadsheet can quickly become overwhelming, and it's easy to overlook missed payments. This is why many beginners worry about keeping recurring billing running smoothly. That's why businesses rely on Easy Pay Direct. Their recurring billing automates client subscriptions, and decline recovery helps improve approval ratios so payments keep flowing consistently without you having to monitor every transaction. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get mobile payments, which makes it easy for clients to pay on the go anytime. If you want recurring billing to run smoothly for your clients without stress or manual tracking, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out the quick sign up form, and you will have a reliable merchant account that handles subscriptions automatically. The link's in the description to get started.